you realise it's like it's snowing inside. It's like it's snowing inside, and you just want to hold your hand out. You want to catch the little snowflakes. You want to stick your tongue out and let the snowflakes catch on the tip of your tongue. Nod your head, do you understand?
Isn't that an interesting suggestion, that she's going to see snow when she wakes up? That's what we call a positive hallucination. She's going to see something that isn't there. Is it going to work? Keep watching and find out as we talk about the situational skits this week in our hypnosis tutorial as part of the street hypnosis clip that you're going to see. So keep watching. Hi there, my name's Taran Mirza, and we're going to see Megan in part 2 of this 2-part video. You saw her last week being induced into hypnosis and a few skits carried out, and you're going to see a few more skits today. And these skits are slightly more situational in nature. To understand what that means, this video was filmed at Mollusk Enterprise Hub down in Mollusk in Northern Ireland. They're a great business who help and support small businesses and new businesses to get up and running and give them some guidance and professional support. So do check them out. I'll put information in the description section below so you can find out about Mollusk Enterprise Hub. But getting back to the hypnosis, I went down to this Christmas market at their invite and was hypnotizing some people, and this girl volunteered. So what are situational skits? Well, situational skits are where I create a skit that's created around the situation that I'm in. And in this case, as you can see by the Christmas tree in the background, it's Christmas 2022 and it was Christmas time, it was a Christmas market, so I was creating some themed around snowflakes and winter and the coldness. So that's the idea behind situational skits. I'm going to explain more after in the tutorial section, so please keep watching after the street hypnosis is over, but let's watch it right now. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. And if you see anything in this video and you have questions about hypnosis, you have questions about the skit, or questions about anything at all, just leave it in the comment section below. I love hearing your comments. I love finding out what it is you really like about these videos so I can make more videos along the themes that you like most. So let's watch the video, let's see what Megan gets up to this week, and then join me for the tutorial afterwards.
Sleep down, way down, deeper, 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 relax. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 your name will come back to you fully. Your name will come back to you fully. But when your name comes back to you, you realise it's like it's snowing inside. It's like it's snowing inside, and you just want to hold your hand out. You want to catch the little snowflakes. You want to stick your tongue out and let the snowflakes catch on the tip of your tongue. Nod your head, do you understand? Your name will come back to you fully, but only as quickly as you see snow falling all around you. And it looks so beautiful, you just want to reach out. You want to reach up into the sky and grab those snowflakes. You want to stick your tongue out and catch it on the tip of your tongue. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow. Isn't that cool? Catch it. There you go. Look, it's snowing. There's one coming towards your face. Catch it on the tip of your tongue. There you go. Isn't that cool? Look at the snow all around you, and it's starting to lie on the ground. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's getting a bit cold in here. Oh, it's getting a bit cold, isn't it? But sleep. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, you'll no longer see snow falling all around you, but just as quickly as that snow disappears, it starts to get very hot in here. It starts to get very hot, and you want to take that jacket off. It's so hot, you want to take that jacket. You won't take any other clothes off, just your jacket. Family show today. But you'll want to take that jacket off just to cool down a bit. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Oh, it's warm, isn't it? You are. Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. It's a bit warm. Oh, there you go. And you feel better now, don't you? You feel better. There you go. I'll hold your jacket. There you go. Isn't that nicer now? Oh, it's nice and warm. And sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Relax. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. And the count of 3, it starts to get a bit nippy again. But you cannot remember how to put your jacket on. You cannot remember how to put your jacket on. The more, crazy way you think of putting your jacket on, but you cannot put your jacket on. You don't know where the arms are. You don't know how to figure out how to put a jacket on. You have forgotten how to put your jacket on. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Oh, here, put your jacket on. So getting a bit nippy. That's it. There you go. Put your jacket on. We'll wait. It's like it's a bit cold, huh? You alright? This is your jacket, yeah? And is it just brand new?
No.
Had it for a while? So you've worn it before? Does she usually have problems dressing in the mornings? No? What's up? We'll wait. Look at me. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, relax. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And on the count of 5, all hypnotic suggestions will disappear. You will remember fully how to put your jacket on. You'll remember your name fully, and you will not feel like you're stuck to the floor or anything else. But on the count of 5, as you awake, you will feel fantastic. You will feel top of the world, full of life, full of invigoration, like you've had a 12-hour sleep, like a 6-hour massage. And you're going to do your best to look after your mum and your dad and do lots of hard work around the house and lots of good stuff. So nod your head, you understand. 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel the energy coming back now. 4, right into your head like fresh mountain breeze. And 5, stretch and wide awake. Big round of applause, guys. Just check you can put your jacket on.
Oh, thank you.
There you go, that was easy. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Do you remember what happened?
No, not really.
No? When I click my fingers, you will remember everything.
Thank you.
Well done. There you go.
Hi and welcome back. Wasn't she a great superstar? That was Megan, and several skits there. The first one, as you saw in the introduction, was me suggesting that she could see snow. That was a positive hallucination. Positive hallucination being seeing something that isn't really there. And of course there was no snow. We were inside, yet she was seeing the snow. She was catching the snow, even collecting it on the tip of her tongue. So that's how powerful hypnosis can be, to give you that imagination to catch snow that's not there. And that really is what I'm talking about when I say a situational skit. In this case, it was a Christmas market. It was Christmas time. It was cold. It's wintry, and what do you see at Christmas and over the winter? You see snow. So I was giving a suggestion that she sees snow. That's a perfect situational skit. During that first skit, I saw that she was wearing a jacket and sufficient clothing underneath that she could take the jacket off without revealing anything untoward. And I gave the suggestion that it was getting very hot, to encourage her to take that jacket off. Now I could have just woken her up and said, can you take your jacket off for a second? But that would have been dull and boring. But I give the suggestion that it's getting very hot in here and you're going to want to take your jacket off. And that's seconds after seeing snow, as it were. So with doing that, it segues into the latter skit, which I was going to do about amnesia, forgetting how to put your coat on. But I did it in an imaginative way. Once again, I was giving a situation, building up a set of skits that would lead to the really funny skit at the end. And again, giving that sense that she was feeling warm actually was accepted, because you can see how she was going, it's hot. Now, because this was a family show, and even if it wasn't a family show, it's not my idea to get people to strip off completely. So I was careful to incorporate into the suggestions, you'll take your coat off, but only your coat, because I don't want her going further than that. You actually see me quite clearly because her parents and her, I think her, I can't remember, it was her brother or sister was in the background. And I didn't want to give any suggestion that she was going to strip down completely because it was so hot. So she takes her jacket off, and as soon as she takes her jacket off, I implement the next phase of that, which is saying it's getting a bit cold, but when you feel cold and try to put your jacket on, you can't remember how to put your jacket on. I've done various skits in the past where you've got name amnesia or number amnesia. I actually did name amnesia with her earlier in that day, and you can see that in last week's video. But this time it was amnesia as forgetting how to put your coat on. And she did a great job. I obviously guided her a bit in the suggestion by saying you don't know where the arms are, and she was perfect. She was putting her hand in everywhere around that coat, but not anywhere near the arms of the coat. And it really was a very comical, very lovely skit to perform. I do like that because it's very visual and people can just, I'm going to say get it, but they don't get how she can forget how to put her coat on, but they get the idea of the hypnosis in the skit because of that. After that, I bring her out of hypnosis, so I'm counting her from 1 to 5 out of hypnosis, and the way out I give her some nice suggestions. She's going to feel really good inside, and she's going to help mum and dad around the house and whatever. So I think that was a nice fun thing to do at a nice family event like this here. So I hope you liked that video, and I hope you liked that bit of a tutorial and description as to what a situational skit is. And maybe if you are a hypnotist and you're out and about doing events in a certain theme, or doing a corporate event with a certain type of business, that you'll consider implementing skits related to that time of year, to that event, to that situation, basically. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out. I'm going to wish you again a Merry Christmas, just in case you don't catch the next one, because, well, by the time the next one comes out next Sunday, it will be Christmas Day. I'm actually launching another video on Christmas Day, and I hope you really enjoy that as well. So stay tuned, and if you don't catch that one, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you soon.